Here are 3 quick Britney Spears tutorials for Halloween. Timestamps are in the description below for each outfit, and outfit items are linked there as well. First up, Oops, I Did It Again.
I could be more faithful, but I feel like that happened.
I take my Morphe 35F palette and use this white shimmer and put it all over my lids and crease. Then I take my Dream Street ColourPop palette and use the silver color in there to put on my lids. Afterwards, I put this darker silver color from the 35F palette from the middle of my lid to the outer edge. Then I blend that baby up. Next, I take this Forever Lit highlight and put it in the inner corner of my eye. Then I take this Milani blush and put it on my cheeks. Now it's time for mascara. I like to use Better Than Sex from Too Faced. I then use my So Cute gloss from Kylie Cosmetics on my lips, and that's it for makeup. The makeup look is angelic, but remember, you're not that innocent. As for hair, I straighten my curly mane. I then parted my hair and divided it into 2 parts, the front part and the back part. For the front part, I comb it and tuck it behind my ears. Then I hairspray it to hold. I then put this front section together in a ponytail. For the back part, you basically just want to tease it. For the outfit, it's pretty simple. I use this red cat suit. I definitely suggest sizing up, or you're gonna need some lube in order to put this on. I also put on combat boots, and that's it. Now for the iconic Canadian tuxedo outfit from Britney. Ideally, this would be best as a couple's costume, but I'm just focusing on Britney's look. For makeup, I take my Jaclyn Morphe palette and take this first color and put it all over my lids. I then take this warm tan color and put it on my crease. Afterwards, I'll take this silvery color and apply it to my lids. Next, I take this white shimmer and put it in the inner corner of my eye. Then I put on my Too Faced mascara. Lastly, I put on this Literally gloss. For hair, I use the Goldie wig from I&H Hair. I got my top and skirt from Fashion Nova. Mixing denim colors is ideal. This skirt was perfect because of the patch denim look. For accessories, I use this rhinestone choker necklace, rhinestone tennis bracelet, and this O-ring crystal chain belt. And there you have it.
I dream of you, whether day or night, you color my mind. I dream of you.
Now it's time for the iconic Me Against the Music look.
Until your person can see my light, I'll dream of you.
First, you're gonna start with the makeup from look 2. We're gonna build on that with this purple shimmer from the Jaclyn Morphe palette. Put it all over your lid.
Hoping it's far away, never comes the day when I lose
we're gonna take the warm tan color and put it on your crease.
Never will I hurt you, so I like you, do you like me too? I be like shit, she could dance on a dick. Post it like a chair and I'm hoping that she gonna sit. It's all good.
Next, we're gonna use the Kyliner pencil in black and put it on your lower lash line and smudge.
Stick it out like.
Then you're gonna do the same to the top lash line. Put some mascara on and you're done. I use the Goldie wig from I&H Hair with this look as well. This outfit is one of my favorites. You're gonna wanna have a white tank top and a black corset top and a black tie.
Gotta go see when I say goodbye. Do I got the juice or did it run dry? Give me a taste. Give me just anything. Can I meet away? Why you gotta be?
Now for the blue collar, I took a blue shirt from Goodwill and I cut along the seams from the collar and voila. Definitely make sure you pick a shirt that fits you though, because then the collar will be way too oversized. You'll also want black suspenders and black fingerless gloves. You'll also want to wear black work pants and some black boots. And that's it. Now it's time to get in the zone. If you're a Britney fan, you get it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If so, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. All you'll have to do is click my face or watch these other Halloween tutorials that are pretty informational. I hope you guys have a really good rest of your day.